How's it going, folks? Welcome back to another video where today I'm going to be talking to you about one of the most revolutionary AI tools or platforms, if you want to call it that way, that will help you access multiple LLMs at once at a much lower price. So if you ever wanted to access Meta, Google, Nvidia, DeepSeek, OpenAI, and just test out different responses with the pro level models, you would have to pay $200 a month or more to access all of these. Well, ExpertEx.AI actually comes in and helps, where it's an all-in-one AI platform that provides simultaneous access to multiple pro-level AI models, including OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Nvidia, and a lot more, all under one subscription at the same price as just one of them. So instead of paying $200 a month, you can go ahead and pay $20 a month. So it's revolutionary. I've never seen something like this before. Now, if you do enjoy it, drop a like, and the link will be down in the description below for the platform itself. But let's dive into some of the key features, and then let's actually do a couple tests on the platform itself. So first of all, the multi-model responses are probably one of the key features of this platform, where you can submit one prompt and get responses from up to 6 AI tools at once. So AI, by tools, I mean different LLMs. So OpenAI, Nvidia, DeepSeek, and more. So you can compare the insights, the styles, and accuracy, and see what would work best for your specific use case at that time, and then go ahead and keep using it. Your prompt library is there with 1,000+ ready-to-use prompts, and if you have no idea where to start, the curated prompt library helps you get optimal results effortlessly to actually start cracking away at your problems. The one-click prompt enhancement tool is pretty cool as well, where you can literally just click and your prompt will be polished, as they like to speak. Seamless language translation, so if you want to type in a prompt in a certain language and translate into another, or if you want that language to be responded with, you can select pretty much anything you want within the tool itself. You have your customizable AI personas and settings, where if you need a marketing assistant, financial advisor, or legal expert, you can select from one of the pre-designed AI personas and have a specialized interaction. And if you are an advanced user of some sort, you're also able to fine-tune the AI settings, control the hallucination levels, as they like to call them. For those of you that don't know what hallucination in AI is, you should probably Google it, or ask ExpertX in your first trial of the platform, as you're clicking the link down below. And obviously it's tailored for work and personal productivity, so whether you're in a corporate workspace or working individually, ExpertX is there to provide a customized, effortless AI experience to boost productivity and unlock new possibilities. So in the platform itself, you're going to see a bunch of different options. You're going to see your OpenAI, Hugging Face, Anthropic, and a bunch of these different AIs. You can select which one you want to choose. We can start with GPT-4 Mini. That's cool. And if you want to start a conversation, you have your prompt library here, where you're able to select a prompt from a bunch of different sectors, right? So for example, if I'm in the marketing sector and I want to do an SEO strategy and planning prompt, we can go ahead. Obviously, some of them are there only for the premium users, but if you want to try, you still have a bunch of prompts that you can play with for the start. So if you want to develop a target keyword strategy, you can use the prompt. And if you want to improve the prompt, you can press the improve the prompt button, and it's going to improve it. For obviously, you should type your business, your niche, your industry, and everything right here to make it work as it should, or as best as possible. So if I just press go, then obviously we're gonna need to have my inputs. So I'm gonna need a business and niche industry, or he's using right now there's a fictional example of business in the healthy snack and foods industry, and there's an entire strategy being released right here, right? Which is pretty cool. It's a good prompt, and you're gonna get a good amount of responses from it and a good amount of information. But let's say we wanted to test out 2 different AI models and see what Gemini 1.5 Flash would say to the same prompt. Or why don't we boost it even more and go ahead into 4 different models and see whatever happens if we use those. So we're going to take away OpenAI. We're going to use Nvidia's model, Anthropic, Google, and Hugging Face. And we're going to go ahead once again to the prompt library and say we need a prompt for personal development, and we need a prompt for time management. And let's say we want to optimize our daily schedule. So let's see how these 4 will react, right? Gemini 1.5 is fast. Claude 3 is second on the speed list. Hugging Face is still thinking about it, and Nvidia is also still thinking about it. And looking at the actual answers, you can see a little, you can see the difference, right? So tools for time management and tracking, you can see everything that you got from here. Gemini 1 gave a pretty nice overview. Claude 3 went into a more numbered level. So everything is kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But once again, even Gemini gave us a whole weekly and monthly and daily planner, which is really cool, while these other two are still thinking. So maybe for the next ones, we don't use those two, but this is all up to you guys to actually decide what you want to use. You can check your model settings as well. So you can check your temperature, it's the randomness of the output, your maximum tokens, top P, frequency penalty, presence penalty for each one of the models themselves. So you can reset all to defaults, and you can play with them if you're if you're apt with AI in that way. You have your different models. So if we want to ask OpenAI the same question, we can go back to OpenAI and pretty much ask the same question. And OpenAI is gonna respond at some point, hopefully faster than these two did. But OpenAI is also thinking right now. So obviously the whole goal here is to see which model works the best for you without having to pay so much money for all of them. So that's what you should do. If you want to go into 6 models at once, well, you might have to upgrade to premium. It's only $20 a month, and the links will be down in the description below. So pretty cool stuff that I've seen so far. In general, it's a platform that I probably will find myself using because I do like to see multiple insights at once. It's like asking for a second opinion, but you can ask for 6 opinions at once, which is what makes this platform really, really cool. So you have your prompt library at the bottom. You can even upload a document. You can improve your prompt. You can translate right from here. You can even generate an image from the same thing. You can change your output language from English to a bunch of these languages that are already in here. And in general, there's a bunch of other settings and applications and different things that you can do with the app itself, but I will let you guys explore this on your own, and I will probably make a couple more videos just to describe all the features that you are able to take advantage of within this ecosystem. So thanks for watching another video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, comment down below with your favorite thoughts and opinions, and I will see you all in the next one.